In this episode of Motive Garage presented by Sparesbox, we get the exterior finished on our Project No Secrets R33 GT-R so we can unveil it at the 2023 PRP GT-R Festival. If you watched the previous episode of Project No Secrets, you would have seen that we got all of the front end, subframe, suspension and brakes into the car, which now means that basically the car is finished in terms of the chassis repairs, the paint, the suspension and brakes. So we decided we would try and put the panels on and get the car looking finished on the outside to unveil at the 2023 PRP GT-R Festival. Now in typical fashion, we had about a week to do it. So it was a little bit rushed, but we got the job done. The first thing we did is while Rob was finishing the front end, he got the intercooler on and hung the panels on the car so it started to look complete, and man, did that get us motivated. Now we all know that wheels make the car, and if you've watched the previous episodes of Project No Secrets, you already know which wheels we've chosen for this car, and that is some OG bronze T37s in perfect GT-R fitment of 18 by 10.5 plus 15. Now, if you know a thing or two about Japanese wheels, you'll know that they no longer make the OG TE37 style or the original bronze color. So if you want to get some OG bronze T37s, you've got to pay some pretty serious money if you find them brand new. But luckily for us, we've actually had these wheels since we even started work on this car. I bought this car at the end of 2016, and I think I actually bought the wheels in 17 or 18 from Aaron at Import Monster. So thank you to them for doing us that deal way back then. We already had them for the car. Now we need some rubber on them as well. So our friends at Sestino Tyres asked us to put on their brand new Performance RR tyre. Now this is very similar to the Greg 07 RR in the fact that it's 200 tread wear, but it has a more track orientated tread design. Basically this tyre is designed for the 200 tread wear, I guess restricted categories of racing, but it does look pretty awesome. Now to get them fitted up on such an expensive wheel, there's only one place we're going to go, and that is Prestige Tyre and Auto. Well, the Tuesday before the event, Danny and the guys from Concept Garage came to our studio to do the final fitment and get all the panel gaps correct on Project No Secrets to get it looking schmick for GT-R Festival. They also had a surprise guest pay them a little visit. Well, with the guys from Concept Garage finished up, the car was starting to look like a car again. However, you need windows to make the car look complete. So we called our friend Justin from Just In Time Window Glass to install all the windows and provide a new front windscreen. The rear windscreen is actually an N1 item that we got from the guys from Skyline Shed. What do we mean by N1? Well, exactly that. It's the rear windscreen from an R33 Skyline N1, which means it doesn't have the hole for a windscreen wiper, so it looks cleaner and neater. The guys from Kudos Motorsport provided us with some brand new rear 3/4 windows, which obviously have the rubber trim built in, so that's all brand new. And luckily we still had the side windows and trims from both this car and a Donor GTST that we have downstairs. With all of the windows installed, we had Vin from Tint on the Move come in and put 5% window tint all round. Why so dark and why on the front windscreen? Well, the car's got no interior, so we wanted it to look finished. Well, with everything we could possibly do done to the car before GT-R Festival, we loaded it up, sent it to the track, and it was time to unveil it to the public. Well, as a car builder, unveiling your car to the public is always a great moment. And even better was we got to unveil Project No Secrets with Sakamoto from Garage Active there, my friend Mickey from Throttle, and Larry Chen. Susie was there, and all of our friends as well, and a lot of the companies that helped build this car. So it was a great moment to unveil it to everyone. But the best thing is, now that we've unveiled the car, finished on the outside, I get to look at it every day when I come into work, which has got me motivated to get the rest of it done. So now you're probably wondering, what's next with Project No Secrets? Well, you know what? A couple of the plans for the mechanical side of this car have changed. What are they? Yeah, I've decided to keep that a secret. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.